Hi Dave, it's Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton. I'm going to show you around the Mitsubishi L200, which is in great condition and, as you know, benefits from having no VAT to pay. Now inside the car it's full leather interior with heated front seats, touchscreen has DAB digital radio, sat-nav, Bluetooth connectivity, there's also automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with the speed limiter. Now outside the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, the split opening tailgate and also a colour reversing camera. But let's have a look around. This vehicle's got full Mitsubishi service history. Thank you for watching the video and I'll catch up with you shortly to discuss it a little bit further. Cheers.